guys, welcome back to Pink Alley Gaming. Today we're gonna be playing Eat or Die today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and use star code Pink Alley when buying Roblox. Okay, so we're playing Eat or Die. The game started! Oh my god, what? Did she even see me? Because she just passed me. She wouldn't get me if she just ignored me. I think she wanted me to. I don't know. But that's very strange. I never thought someone would do that. That's very creepy and odd. Some people are creepy. Yeah. That's actually true. Okay. Let's get some candy. Is she not even? I don't understand where she. She's not trying to get me, I guess. Maybe she just wanted her. Because we have a lot of time left. We have 53 minutes. The longest time! Now she's getting me. Run! Okay, now she's getting me, which is very awkward. She comes out the side of the freak out. Why do I have bloody... Where did these bloody knees come from? Probably the sister changed my avatar. Because I did not have these bloody knees. Okay, that does not make me comfortable. Can anyone explain? Because I don't like... Okay, so there's 2 more alive. There would be 3 alive if I didn't fail. Because, I'm glad my house playing use. It's making me so uncomfortable. My head is bursting. Oh my. I just went in the car for too long because we had to go somewhere, which was far away. I was right there! God, I never get it. Like, I never beat. I never get it. I never beat it. I never get it. I never. Okay. Whew. Boom. Okay, this is my secret spot. If I stop moving my hand. Girl! Everyone, stop following me. That's what I'm saying. Everyone, stop following me. Well, yeah. That wasn't very good. Oh my god, I hate when she says it. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, I'm sad too. Let's join. We're gonna join. Guys, as you see, this is my username right here. It's Pink Alley Mountain, but I named my user Pink Alley, so like... Hello? Hello? I'm back with my sister. Yeah, okay guys, so me and my sister are gonna play together.
What? Wait, actually I'm just gonna lay
Sis, I know you have Ariana Grande perfume. Yeah, you do. We have 2 Ariana Grande perfumes, which I use a lot. I even used it for school sometimes. Yeah, actually, for real. When it was my celebrity day, I dressed up as Ariana Grande.
Yeah, you used the Ariana Grande perfume.
Okay, girl, you don't need to know. She's my lady. You like Elsa? My lady, my lady, my lady. Girl, stop. Don't spray that. Don't waste that. I love that. Stop! I'm so scared when people do that. Oh, my head hurts so badly. You know, I see you right there, lady. Right there. We're just gonna keep the screen like. Do you guys even see me, or am I like very back? Yeah, I see you.
I see you.
Okay, maybe we should just make it a bigger screen or something. Big screen. Victory. La 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 la. I made it. I did it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. In the world. Starburst from Presley's Unicorn. Did he even get Starburst back from I Eat Puppies? I'm not sure. Cha-cha! I
Give me that! Stop, Isla. Serious. Isla. Don't waste that. Someone sleeps here.
Boom! Ariana. Got it. We have our grandpas and grandmas here, so I'm trying to not make the room stink. Oh my, oh my, oh my. See, this is the Ariana Grande perfume. Sis, where's the heart?
The heart's in the bathroom. And the cat's in the bathroom.
Oh my god, you know how bad I'm gonna
Get out of here!
Yeah. There, I got to the perfume, so you don't spray me.
You guys, in the next part,
These are both 2 Ariana Grande perfumes.
we are in the next part of this video. And
Can you get off my waist before you don't have any hands?
And in the next video, that was so crazy, right?
Yeah, maybe you're not even gonna get that much subscribers, so you better think about that, Isla.
I will.
Think about that!
Give me that! No, bad. Oh my!
I'm mad at you. Keep on this side this time. And this is right here. Out here.
You got me.
Right now, I'm gonna stay in the moment. I wanna be like you all the time.
No, I'm not able to do the tongue twist. I think I did that.
Okay, that's by Ariana Grande, guys. Just making sure if you don't know her, she's my favorite singer. Yes! Is this? I made it
Why
again.
didn't you try something, you know, instead just go and get the purple place?
Okay, I have 31%, so I might be it. Are you even gaming? Where are you? I thought you were playing. You're not gonna be part of my video?
You're right now.
Oh my.
I'm gonna make this part and then I'm gonna come play.
My head first.
And anyways.
Hell, I had 31%.
Boom shakalaka. Probably he has 17%. Boom shakalaka.
17. Oh my god. My head hurts.
Boom shakalaka.
I want to run faster. Do I really have to go the back of this? This is the worst thing that I ever did. Come on, how you?
You get it!
There, I sliced my sister in
No,
half.
no, she did not.
Mm.
She's not a strong head.
Ah!
Well, you don't have strong. That's how strong your muscle is.
I can. Oh god.
You think Tata's not your father? That's what you think. Then he has to have strong muscles than you. Nope.
What a lot. Uh-oh. Yeah, you're in trouble now. Yes? I'm not even making mess. I'm just... La 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 la. Oh my god, when can I just make it? My head hurts so. Oh my. I did it again. If I get 40%. Oh. I bet. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm your new YouTuber for today. Hey, no, I am.
I wish. I'm a ready YouTuber.
Mama, Yanni's hitting me!
I'm not!
Yes, you are. I just told. I just saw you hitting me.
I'm just doing this. I'm poking you in the head. It's not even hitting. That's poking.
Well, that's hitting. Well, that hurt.
How? I didn't even. Oh my god, you're so annoying.
I just want to sit here, okay? Girl, I want to sit next to the perfumes to show them.
No, I'm just gonna stay here.
I just want to show them the perfumes. Let me show them the perfumes, Eliana. She doesn't want to show the perfumes. But now she does. And I just want to see if you guys can like them, but she doesn't even want you guys to see the Ariana Grande perfumes.
Oh my god.
Let's show.
You're showing my screen.
Oh yeah, let's look at it.
Oh my! What in the world, Isla?
Excuse me. Excuse
Oh
me.
my god.
There she is.
I have my phone.
There's Pink Allie Mountain.
I have my phone, which is the little baby screen right here.
Oh, I
You
have a
don't need
baby
to
on
look
my
at my
phone.
privacy.
I have a baby on my phone.
Okay, first of all, you're not a baby. Okay. Get out
Oh
of
my
my
God.
own video. What the heck?
You felt this one down.
Okay, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like, subscribe, and enjoy your
You guys, look
fabulous
at this
game.
pimple.
Bye!
Look at this